Hey guys, Kyle here with Good Time Entertainment, your DJ. Anyways, we are going to show you how to create a really quick little playlist on Spotify. So you open up the app, nice and simple, click Create Playlist. Let's call it something kind of fun. Kyle's Epic Party. Simple as that. Throw an image up. That can be anything from you and your fiance to your company logo, whatever it might be. Just something fun. Throw something on there. Now let's go ahead and add some music. Real simple. Let's do Uptown Funk. Always popular. Let's add, why not, little Usher. And yeah, very popular song. Anyways, let's do a little Journey. How about that? Don't stop believing. Anyways, continue adding songs. The more you add, the better. Okay. Next step, invite some friends to help you with this. Okay. So click on the little three dots right there and invite collaborators. Now, this link is only good for a couple of days, but real simple, copy that link. And then let's go ahead and open up our email and paste that link right there, just like that. Send it to your friends, send it to me, and just put in here, my music list for my whatever your event is, wedding, corporate, whatever it is. And then just boom, send it off to me. Simple as that. I look forward to an epic party with you. The more music you add, the better. All right, guys, let's party on.